Hey, Miles. Are you feeling brave enough for a roast battle right now?
Are you sure you can defeat me?
I came with the whole class.
Bring it.
Your mama's so fat. I tried to think about her and got tired.
You're so ugly, people look twice just to make sure it's real.
Yo mama's so fat. Zombies stop and argue about where to start.
Yo mama's so fat, one bite turns into a lunch break.
You're so dumb, you got tired reading a short word.
You're so dumb. You tried to count to 10 and still got lost.
You're so old. Your wrinkles have their own wrinkles.
You're so old, your birthday wish is just, another year, please.
You're so ugly, your own dreams keep the lights on.
You're so dumb, you forgot your own point in the middle of the sentence.
You're so old, your shadow walks slower than you.
You're so old, your first birthday candle was a torch.